It's 2 days before CES officially opens, and we are now here at MGN Grand, where Panasonic is launching their new OLED television. Now, it's extremely exciting for us because we are big fans of OLEDs, and this is the second OLED television that you have actually brought out. We're here with Glenn Zanozzi, who is the TV product manager for Panasonic UK. Glenn, can you give us a brief rundown of your new EZ1000?
Of course, Vincent, and we're also extremely excited to be launching the next generation of OLED TV from Panasonic. This is the EZ1000, or as it will be called in the UK, the EZ1002. This will launch from late May in the UK in 65-inch screen size, and obviously the big message is around OLED. Following from the CZ952 that we launched back in 2015, that I believe HDTV test referred to as producing the best picture quality ever seen from a TV, and our full intention is to improve on that with the EZ1002 to deliver a new standard in terms of picture quality, and once again launch and release and offer the market the best picture quality available from a consumer TV. And we're really confident that we can do that. We've on the OLED panel, we are using what we term a master OLED panel. Right. So all the inherent benefits of OLED, with the addition of an absolute black filter. So we're breaking new ground in black level performance from OLED. Additional to that technology, we're offering the most advanced, the most powerful picture processor that we've ever put on board a consumer TV, the new Studio Color HCX processor. So the most advanced panel technology on the market, plus all of our expertise with the most advanced video processor we can offer to deliver the best possible picture quality from not just another OLED TV on the market, but the best OLED TV on the market. What makes this TV the best OLED TV on the market is what has always made Panasonic TVs the best picture quality on the market. It's our expertise around video processing technology.
Obviously, your OLED TV, the EZ1000, will get Ultra HD Premium certification, and it will need to hit certain peak brightness and DCI P3 coverage criteria before it can be awarded that sort of a certification. Now, can you tell us what sort of peak brightness and DCI P3 coverage that your EZ1000 is capable of?
The EZ1000, so back with the CZ952 a couple of years ago, the DCI P3 coverage was approximately 90%. We're confident we're going to achieve almost 100% of DCI P3 coverage on the EZ1000. In regard to peak brightness, the CZ952 could achieve up to 450 nits. The EZ1002 will be able to achieve up to 800 nits. So we're improving not only the black level performance, but also the brightness performance. Herein why we believe that the EZ1002 will offer an even better picture quality, even better picture offering than what we could on the critically acclaimed CZ952.
Okay. Obviously, you're not going to be the only manufacturer launching an OLED this year. LG obviously is going to release their new model for 2017, and we believe that Sony may have something on their cards as well. Now, what is the USP of a Panasonic OLED? In other words, why should a buyer consider buying an Panasonic OLED compared with, let's say, an LG or a Sony OLED?
I think the key message here is that what has always made a Panasonic TV the best TV on the market is what will make the EZ1000 the best OLED TV on the market, and that is primarily around colour accuracy and detail. We talk about, in 2017 we'll talk, in marketing terms we'll talk about Hollywood to the home, delivering picture quality as the director intended, and that's very much around, that mantra is very much why we believe the EZ1000 will be the best OLED TV on the market. It will include, as I mentioned, the Studio Color HCX2 picture processor. And this is our most advanced picture processor that we've ever built into a TV. For example, it will include, the processor itself will include the likes of 3D lookup tables that we've only ever included in professional broadcast grade equipment. So our professional broadcast monitors and so on. So these types of R&D, these technologies will be brought into our consumer range. So the Studio Color processor will be able to deliver even better levels of colour accuracy and detail. We're already famous for our ability to deliver the most accurate colours on the from consumer TVs, and that advantage is what we believe will ensure that the EZ1000 will be the best OLED TV on the market.
Okay. So you're going to position your EZ1000 as the flagship television for 2017. Where does that leave your LED LCD then? Because last year you had an excellent LED LCD in the form of the DX902 or DX900 in other European countries. How are you going to position your LED LCD this year?
So this is the first model. The EZ1000 is the flagship model for 2017. We will be making some announcements in the coming months around February about all the other models that will carry in 2017, including our replacement range for our LED LCD range.
Okay. We've always believed that 4K OLED is the best display to watch 3D on, but I understand that your Panasonic EZ1000 won't be supporting 3D. Can you please explain the reasons why?
The EZ1000 was, the concept was to deliver the best possible picture quality, and the processing and the panels that we've selected in order to do that meant that we couldn't achieve 3D. But that wasn't a key priority for us. It was our key priority was being able to deliver the best picture quality ever seen from a consumer TV, and we believe we can deliver that with the EZ1000.
Looking through your specification sheet, you also won't be supporting Dolby Vision on your EZ1000. Again, can you please give us the reasons?
Yeah, we won't be supporting Dolby Vision, but inherently the technologies built into the EZ1000 are essentially the same as what the Doby Vision specification requires. The available content to support Dolby Vision is still relatively limited, and fundamentally what drives the quality of HDR is it's more about the quality of the TV itself and what's driving the TV than the logos attached to it.
Okay. Now, reading through the spec sheets again, you will be supporting HLG standard, which is the broadcast standard for upcoming HDR videos through off-air broadcast. Now, are you planning to support your older models, let's say the CZ950 or 952 or the DX902 with a retrospective firmware upgrade for HLG support?
At the moment, that's still under study, so we can't confirm that at this point in time.
Going back to Dolby Vision again, right? Obviously, there are some other manufacturers who are going to be launching Dolby Vision 4K Blu-ray players at the CES. I still can't say who. Do you think that will affect your sales by the fact that it lacks Dolby Vision?
We're not too concerned about that. In all honesty, we have an extremely strong Blu-ray lineup, and the available content, as I said, that supports Dolby Vision is still relatively limited. So again, we're confident in our stance of not supporting Dolby Vision at this point in time.
Okay. And the next question is probably a critical question that all our readers and all our viewers will want to know. Can you give us a ballpark price for the EZ1000 at all?
We're launching the model in late May, so there's still a few months to come yet. But trust me, closer to the time of launch, you'll be the first to know.
Okay. And one last question. Again, it's probably not in your jurisdiction, but a lot of our viewers are from the United States. And do you have any plans to launch the Panasonic EZ1000 in the North America market at all?
At this point in time, I don't believe my jurisdiction, as you know, is UK and London. But at this point in time, I don't believe we're launching the model in the US.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Glenn. Exciting product, really great venue, great product. Thank you.